This is not just a vehicle. This is a masterpiece of engineering, a moving symbol of power, class and perfection. What you are looking at is one of the world's most expensive, most luxurious and most advanced luxury motorhome buses ever built. Its name is For Me Luxury Motorhome, and it looks like the future has arrived on wheels. This is not a motorhome. This is a moving palace designed for people who don't travel to reach a destination, they travel to live life with style. Its matte black exterior gives it a dark royal personality, bold, powerful and fearless. The diamond-cut design and arrow-shaped body make it look like a luxury super machine, built not just to impress, but to dominate every road it touches. Look at the front. The aerodynamic supercar nose doesn't just enhance beauty, it improves speed, balance and stability. The custom LED headlights, golden crest emblem, premium rims and sharp grille design make it look like a luxury beast made for kings. But the real magic begins when you step inside. The interior feels like a 5-star private mansion. Royal leather lounge seating, soft golden ambient lighting, cinematic glass windows, intelligent wall controls, premium wooden textures, everything has been designed for comfort and elegance. Every inch reflects class, every detail whispers luxury. This masterpiece has 2 levels of luxury. The ground level offers a grand lounge, luxury dining area and a fully equipped smart kitchen. The upper floor features a panoramic master bedroom with a breathtaking glass ceiling so you can sleep under the stars while traveling the world. This is not a road trip anymore, this is a journey of dreams. The kitchen inside is fully loaded with modern appliances, sensor microwave oven, induction cooking system, double fridge and storage cabinets. Whether you're traveling with your family, kids or friends, this luxury motorhome makes you feel at home, no matter where you are. Want entertainment? It has a cinema-style home theater inside. Want business on the go? It transforms into a private executive office. Want freedom? With just one button, the side walls expand automatically, the space doubles, and it turns into a mobile luxury suite. And the technology inside, unmatched. Hydraulic leveling system, smart climate control, AI navigation, security surveillance system, GPS tracking, satellite Wi-Fi, solar energy backup. This machine is built for off-grid luxury living. Now let's talk about the price. This beast of luxury costs between $4 million to $5 million US. But for people who live beyond limits, price is just a number. Because this motorhome is not just about travel, it is about owning freedom. With this motorhome, you don't need hotels, tickets or reservations. Just choose a road and go. Live by the beach, wake up in the mountains, watch sunrise in the desert or enjoy cold nights in the forests. This luxury motorhome gives you a home wherever you go. This is not just a vehicle. It is a lifestyle. It is a dream on wheels. It is luxury without limits.